Yeah. Can you motorboat? Oh, no, you don't want to eat that. You don't want to eat that. You get all camera shy every time the camera turns on. You just, there you go. Ooh. Yeah. Tell Mommy what else you did today. Oh, you ate your hand? Oh, yeah. You pooped a little bit? And then got in your clothes? Mm-hmm. What else? You slept a little bit? There you go. Oh, no. That doesn't sound like fun.